Hello, fellow plant enthusiasts. I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and after a brief hiatus, we are back with a brand new episode of The Foliage Files. As I was brainstorming ideas for today's episode, a friend of mine actually reached out asking for some plant advice. You see, he recently moved into a new apartment and wanted to bring in an indoor tree that would make a statement. Eager to create a statement piece, he originally opted for a redwood tree, only to discover, as some of you may know, that redwoods aren't the most suitable for indoor growth. It turns out they struggle quite a bit indoors. This prompted me to ask, what is the ideal indoor tree? Today, I'm excited to tackle that question and share with you my carefully curated list of the 10 best trees to grow indoors. Thank you for joining me. Let's get started.
The slender trunk of the Pachira aquatica, commonly known as the money tree, is often braided, a feature that makes it a popular choice among plant enthusiasts. As these trees grow, the braids also mature, becoming sturdy and wooden over time. When caring for a money tree, it thrives in environments with high humidity and moisture, reminiscent of its natural habitat in swamps and wetlands. However, it's essential to avoid letting it sit in standing water. Opt for a well-draining potting medium to ensure the roots remain healthy and avoid waterlogging. Originating from India, rubber trees boast expansive, shiny leaves with a rich dark green shade that beautifully contrasts with lighter wall tones. Similar to many tropical trees, they thrive in moderate temperatures, prefer a humid setting, and flourish in well-ventilated spaces free from drafts. For those wanting to go the extra mile in caring for their cherished rubber tree, consider indulging it with a monthly leaf wiping session using a damp cloth to rid the foliage of any dust accumulation. To encourage the growth of impressive leaf sizes, fertilize your rubber tree every 2 weeks during its active growth phases. This simple routine ensures your rubber tree remains vibrant and healthy. For those who crave the grandeur of large leaves, the indoor banana tree is the perfect botanical companion. Whether it's the fruit-bearing Cavendish or the non-fruity Musa bush, these trees promise a feast for the eyes with their lush foliage. When on the hunt for an indoor banana tree, opt for dwarf cultivars to maintain imaginable size. Providing warm temperatures, ample sunlight, and regular fertilization is key to unlocking the full potential of these rapid growers. Regular care ensures your banana tree remains a stunning addition to your leafy collection. If you're yearning for a burst of citrus charm, look no further than the Kalimantan orange tree, originally hailing from China. These lively indoor trees bear petite fruits akin to tangerines, adding a touch of zest to your space. Kalimantan orange trees thrive in bright light and maintain an undemanding watering routine. To keep these vibrant trees in their prime, it's advisable to combat potential mite and scale infections by regularly sponging the leaves with water to prevent dust buildup. With a little care, your Kalimantan orange tree will stand out as a delightful addition to your indoor greenery. For a touch of jungle allure indoors, consider the fiddle-leaf fig, a native of the jungle. Optimal placement includes a bright bathroom, mimicking its natural habitat. However, a well-protected living room can also serve as a suitable location, provided you shield the tree from drafts and provide ample bright, filtered light along with a humid environment. If you're feeling adventurous, the great outdoors can also work wonders for the fiddle-leaf fig. Embrace its versatility by granting a temporary residence as a patio plant, especially during the sunny month of June. This way, your fiddle-leaf fig can thrive in various settings, bringing a piece of the jungle ambiance to your indoor or outdoor space. Elevate your indoor greenery game with the beloved ponytail palms, cherished for their unhurried growth and impressive longevity. Their slow-paced ascent means it may take several years for a young ponytail palm to reach even modest heights, making them ideal for adorning desktops and various surfaces with a touch of botanical elegance. Featuring slender ribbon-like green leaves cascading down the stem, these plants thrive when bathed in abundant light, embracing their low-maintenance nature. Ponytail palms only demand watering every 1 to 2 weeks, making them a hassle-free and visually captivating addition to your indoor oasis. Enter the enchanting world of whipping figs, also known as ficus trees, celebrated for their lush green hue and effortless maintenance. To address the most common woe associated with whipping figs, leaf drop, opt for a well-lit room that boasts ample natural light. The perfect setting includes a room adorned with a large picture window, a skylight, or a sun-kissed south-facing window. When cultivating your whipping fig, ensure it rests in well-drained soil and adhere to a watering routine that only kicks in when the soil surface has dried out. With these simple care tips, your whipping fig will flourish, gracing your space with its vibrant greenery. Introducing the magnificent dragon tree, a houseplant adorned with striking sword-shaped green leaves accented by captivating red edges. Renowned for its hardiness and fuss-free care, this slow-growing beauty effortlessly thrives in container living. To ensure your dragon tree continues to enchant, position it away from direct sunlight, as prolonged exposure may lead to foliage burn. When it comes to watering, exercise caution to avoid overhydration, which can result in unsightly brown tips on the leaves. By adhering to these simple guidelines, your dragon tree is poised to flourish, gracing your space with its unique and vibrant presence. Enter the world of the jade tree, a contender for the title of the lowest maintenance indoor tree on our list. An ideal choice for beginners and those pressed for time in tending to their green companions. With its succulent leaves and sculptural trunk, the jade tree brings an effortlessly artistic touch to any space. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, jade trees also excel as bonsai specimens. Caring for this resilient beauty is a breeze. Simply water the plant every few weeks and position it near a window that receives bright light. With minimal effort, the jade tree promises to thrive, making it the perfect companion for those who crave the beauty of nature without the demand for constant care. As we conclude our list, we present one of our top picks for indoor growing and the choice of our friend, the yucca tree, also known as yucca stick or spineless yucca. This captivating tree stands out as a striking and lively accent for any home, with a solid trunk and leathery strap-like leaves gracefully emerging from the top. A pot featuring groups of 3 yucca trees at staggered heights creates an irresistibly attractive display. For optimal growth, these trees thrive in a well-draining sandy soil mix. The size of the container plays a crucial role in determining the plant's size, allowing you to customize its appearance. Shower your yucca tree with as much sunlight as possible, and fear not trimming it in half if it begins to outgrow its designated space. With these care tips, the yucca tree promises to be a standout addition to your indoor green haven.
And there you have it, folks, the 10 best indoor trees to cultivate in your own indoor jungle. Which one stole the spotlight for you, or do you have other tree suggestions you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome gardening tips and tricks. And for those who want to go the extra mile in supporting our mission, consider becoming a Patreon member by clicking the link in the description. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you all in the next video. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving. See you in the next video.